So you should have something like this, if I remember right. You should have the column grid on there already, and you should have it down in space, the right depth, right? We've brought that down. That was slide number 27. And so now we're going to try to figure out these things. Now, looking at the drawing, the column grid is 1 foot away from the edge of the wall, and the wall is 1'4", and that's what we're going to do there. So let's go back over here. So go this way to the front, 1 foot. From here to the back, right? It's 1'4". Make sure it's staying in the green. All right. So that's that wall portion. Then this thing is 1'4" here, right? So here's a column, 1'4". Typically we'll center it. So I go this way, 8, and this way, 8, right? I mean, we've got the column grid, unless told differently. Like this one was told differently, right? That's 1 foot and there's 1'4", okay? So we've got that, and then from this back wall, we go out 10 inches because I said so, basically. I don't think the drawings really show it as clearly as it should. So then if I do a line tool, let's see, it's going to be click, 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 click. So that's it. That would be the shape of the piece, right? So it's 1 foot forward, and then 1'4" front to back, which is another 4 foot back then, right? 1'4", and then 8 and 8 because it's a 1'4" width here. When working with structures, always start with the column line. These are the lines. This one and this one are the column grid lines. And always go through the column. So now we just push-pull it up, whatever height it tells you to do it.